Alright, that's what we do sometimes when I get bored. I made this. Sons of bitches.
So guess who's back on the top of his game? F-bombs a name, I came to bring the pain. You won't need to complain, cause you know I'll never change. You're exactly the same, and you ought to be ashamed. All you wanna do is get them bitches on the dance floor, grinding like strippers, booty shaking in the pants more. They don't need to worry what you're rapping about, but you better hurry up, cause your time has run out. Now it's my fucking turn to break you off a piece with them funky ass beats and the rhymes that never cease. So get up off your seat till this is complete. I am better than you, I don't need to be discreet. I'm straight to the point, you'll never be confused. And if you're smart enough, I know you'll be amused by the words that I'm saying, the thoughts I'm conveying, the talent I'm displaying, and the beats that I'm playing. From the 315 to the 585, I got my eyes on the prize. So you better recognize that when I arrive, this motherfucker comes alive. Leave you thinking to yourself, who the fuck are these guys? Pumping out shit that is new to your ears, pointing out your flaws and exposing your fears, while bringing drastic ends to all your careers. It's time to step aside, the revolution is here. It's time to step aside, the revolution is here. It's time to step aside, the revolution is here. It's time to step aside, the revolution is here. You better step aside, the revolution is here.
Yeah! Let's see how that